Good morning. I am 2 minutes earlier today, a little bit later than usual, but here I am. As always, if you're watching a recording, you can fast forward a couple of minutes or stay with us through hellos. Good morning, Mary. Good morning, Anne. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Yanni and Leo. Good morning, Ari. Ari is saying, I just woke up, so today I'll try our practice laying down. It's totally fine. You can always lie down for this practice. You can stand, you can sit, whatever is comfortable. It is, in general, recommended that the spine is long, right? So that the energy kind of flows, the breath can flow easily so that you're not collapsing in your posture. Good morning, Jana. All right, it is time for us to start. As you may remember, the formal loving kindness practice, and we did a short version of it yesterday, it has 5 stages. First, we send loving kindness energy to ourselves. Then the second stage is somebody dear to us, known in the formal practice as our benefactor. A neutral person is third stage. Then comes somebody we have a challenging relationship with. And finally, on the fifth stage, we send loving kindness to all sentient beings. And so far, we've done 10 days, and so far we've been practicing with a focus on sending loving kindness to ourselves, with certain variations, of course. And today we will expand this practice to the second stage of metta, sending loving kindness to a benefactor. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to arrive, to acknowledge all your circumstances, starting with the external, and then little by little zooming in on your inner world. Let your breath be soft, easy, not forced. And let this easy breath be your invitation to soften a little bit from the inside out. Body, heart, mind. Gently scan your body. Notice what's present. During the practice, keep part of your attention on this body scan. The main focus is on the phrases of loving kindness, but part of your attention is always on your body. During the practice and in general, it's a good habit to have throughout your day. So the more you practice it during our mornings or any other formal practice you do, the better. Now spend the next couple of moments contemplating the goodness within you, the rightness of your wish to be happy, healthy, at ease. This is your birthright. You don't need to do anything for that just because you're born. You have the right to feel at ease, happy, healthy. So when you connect with your intention to be happy, gently start repeating the metta mantra, offering this friendship to yourself. Let's do it 3 times. As always, you can choose your words or repeat what I have chosen for my loving kindness mantra. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I be happy, healthy, and at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. So do it 2 more times, your phrases or mine. Now let that go and call to mind someone for whom you feel strong respect, gratitude. This is the person known in the formal loving kindness practice as the benefactor. And it is recommended that you don't choose somebody who you feel sexual desire for, because it is important at this stage to be able to distinguish the feeling of metta, unconditional friendship, from the feeling of desire. So find this person and keep them in your mind. You may be able to visualize them or simply say their name to yourself a few times. As you do this, recall the different ways this person has helped you, contributed in some way to you or to the world, the goodness within them. As you do this, notice if a sense of joy, bliss, or rapture arises, if it does allow it to energize you, but if it doesn't arise naturally, don't seek after it. Simply contemplate the benefactor and their goodness, their wish to be happy. And now we'll start directing the metaverse toward your benefactor. And at the beginning, it may be useful to preface it with something like, just as I want to be happy, healthy, and at ease, so do you want to be happy, healthy, and at ease. So may you be happy, healthy, and at ease, or whatever your phrase is. This may make this breaking down of the barriers between self and another person a little bit easier. Just as I want to connect to the natural peace, so do you want to connect to the natural peace. May you be filled with natural peace, or again, whatever your phrase is. At some point, you can let this kind of preface go and simply repeat the mantra itself over and over again. May he or she be filled with loving kindness. May they be well in body and mind. May they be happy, healthy, and at ease. May they know deep, natural peace. This verse or any other words that resonate best with you. And as you do it, try to connect to each phrase one at a time. Try to not think about what has yet to come, not even the next phrase. Try not to seek this feeling of loving kindness within you. Simply stay present in each phrase, each moment, each breath. Don't struggle to manufacture this feeling of love. Simply repeat the phrases over and over again. Remind yourself that this is how you plant the potent seeds of intention. And this is your only job right now. Trust that the nature will take its own course. And when the time is right, you will feel whatever you need to feel. I'll be silent for the next few minutes, giving you space to stay with your experience. And now let that go. Take a nice inhale and exhale. Scan your body once again, noticing whatever you notice. And if your eyes were closed, gently open your eyes, coming out of the practice. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.